channel again. So I'm back again with one more makeup video. And this is a look which you can actually create in like I think minimum 5 minutes के अंदर आप ये look बहुत easily create कर सकते हो. So if you actually want to wear for a corporate event or for a meeting or for your office, you can actually wear it. So if you're interested to watch this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And do not forget to follow me on all of my social media, which will be listed in the description bar for you guys. Go follow me. And if you have any video requests, leave them in the comment section below. And without any further ado and without rambling a lot, let's just jump into the video. So guys, I've already applied the moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, whichever you like. And after that, I've applied my primer, which is from Colorbar. And this is for 850 rupees. And you are getting 30 ml of product. And I really like this one, but this is a bit expensive. So you can use any primer. And after priming my face, what I'm going to use is a product which I actually like. So I'm going to use this Sugar foundation. So this is not a full coverage foundation. So this is actually a good foundation for regular use. This foundation is for 900 rupees. So I'll apply it on my face. Apply this foundation on my face, and now you can blend it with your hands also, or you can use any tool, your beauty blender or this brush. But I am going to use my brush. So after that, I'm going to use this concealer, which is from Revlon. You can use any concealer, and जो भी शेड आप यूज करो वो ऐसा करना जो कि इतना ज़्यादा हाईलाइटिंग नहीं हो, बिकॉज ऑफिस यूज के लिए अगर आप वेयर कर रहे हो सो वैसा ही कलर आप यूज करना. आई एम जस्ट गोना यूज अ लिटिल बिट. So after blending my concealer, now what I'm going to use is a powder just to set my makeup, and for this I'm using this Maybelline New York powder, and you can use any compact powder just to set your makeup. So after setting my face, I'm going to use the next product, and I will be using the Sugar eyebrow product just to shape my eyebrows. So guys, I'll also recommend you guys to use an eyebrow product because it actually makes a lot of difference, and I think actually just enhancing your eyebrows make a lot of difference. So you should also start using an eyebrow product. So next product which I will be using is this one, which is from L'Oreal, and this is a contouring plus highlighter, and you can contour if you feel like. I love contouring, so that is why I will be doing it. And on you, if you want to do contouring, you can do it. If you don't feel like, you can just skip this part. So guys, next up I will be using this ADS kajal. So I've already reviewed this kajal. I will leave the link in the description bar. You can go on my channel and you can definitely watch that one. So now I'll be using this kajal. So guys, I've already applied my kajal, and what I did is basically मैंने जो water line से थोड़ा सा नीचे उसको मैंने apply किया, because I'm going to skip my liner. And because सुबह सुबह जाना होता है, अगर आपको ऑफिस में अगर आप ये लुक वेयर करते हो तो थोड़ा इजी होना चाहिए कि कुछ स्टेप्स ही करो और आप रेडी हो जाओ जल्दी से. सो आप ऐसे भी यूज कर सकते हो काजल, एंड इफ यू वांट टू इवन अप्लाई लाइनर. तो अगर आप ऑफिस के लिए अगर आप चाहते हो कि आप लाइनर यूज करो तो आप सिर्फ वाटर लाइन भी लाइन करके आप लाइनर यूज कर सकते हो. And next thing which I'm going to use is this mascara, which I actually am obsessed with right now. I have so many, but I am currently like obsessed with this one. Wherever I go, I wear this. And this is from L'Oreal again. And this is a bit expensive, but if you want me to post a review of this one, I will do it for you. And leave your request down below, guys. I'm just going to use the second step right now. Next up, what I'm going to use is a highlighter. And I'm going to use this Europe Girl highlighter. So guys, I will be using my fan brush for this, and just highlight wherever you feel like. So guys, I've used this highlighter, you can see, and don't use it a lot because आप ये ऑफिस वेयरेबल लुक कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा कम हाईलाइटर यूज करो. बट नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू पर्सनली डू इज, अब ये जो हाईलाइटर है वो मैं अपने इनर कॉर्नर्स में लगा दूंगी, सो दैट थोड़ा सा जो लुक है वो इनहैंस हो जाए. Now just let's move on to the last step, which is adding a lipstick, and the lipstick which I will be using is from Faces Canada, I really like this one, and I am using a nude shade. You can use any other shade, whichever you like. So this is the shade 01 Deep Nude, and this is for 799 rupees. I really love this product a lot. This is the final look. You can actually wear, and you can click pictures and send it to me if you like it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and just hit that subscribe button right now, because it would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, that's it for today. If you have any video requests, leave them down below. And guys, do let me know कि ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल था या नहीं, एंड जो भी ऑफ कोर्स रिक्वेस्ट है जो आप चाहते हो मैं नेक्स्ट करूँ अपने चैनल पे, डू लेट मी नो. आई वुड love to do it for you guys. And yeah, that's about it. I shall see you in my next one. Till then, you all stay happy and keep smiling. Bye guys.